Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 2-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.